All right, let's look at Tesla on the monthly chart. We're definitely in a much larger squeeze through here. We've had a nice tumble the last 3 weeks. So heading into next week, I'm going to be watching this 391 if we get a bounce. That would be a beautiful bounce for sure. That's a 30-point move. If we get that bounce, if we clear 391, that could be our breakout to the upside for more continuation higher. If we see continuation on down, our lower trend line sits at 291. So it's a significant drop there, but looking left, you can see we've got a lot of chop right through here, smaller candles to get through on those monthly candles. So we could head on down and get a bounce and then bounce up and test that upper trend line. So looking at our weekly, you can see the same kind of thing. We've just had this very consistent move downward. We have pulled up and tested this trend line, gotten really close the last 2 weeks as well. So heading into next week, 392 is that target. We have some room to get down to this level down here. If we see continuation, I'll definitely be giving you more of those numbers along the way. Looking at our daily, what I'm liking here is this is starting to look like a potential reversal pattern. We still have room to move inside this for sure. But if we bounce at this trend line, I'll be looking to see, can we head back up here and touch this 391 area? If we do, we could see continuation on down and kind of get closer and closer in this area. And then we're going to have to get a breakout. Typically this pattern is a reversal. So let's just see. We've got a couple tests along down through here. Let's see if it can hold. If we get a breakout lower, obviously this is null and void, right? But for now, I am watching how it's been testing through here and seeing some continuation. So let's see if we get a bounce down here tomorrow about that 358 area. And if we head back up to the upper trend line at about that 391 area, if we stay inside, obviously it can get tighter and get trickier to trade, but I'm watching for a breakout of this squeeze here. Could take us some time because we definitely have some room to bounce up and down throughout this squeeze, but liking the pattern, hoping this means we are setting up for that reversal here shortly. We do have a lot of chop and strong area that we have held. When you're looking left, you can see this area right through here. We held underneath it. Every time we tested it, we just rejected over and over again. Took us a long time to break underneath. So that is also something to look at as we are pushing lower through here. This definitely could be a reversal, not just because of our reversal pattern, but this is a really strong area of support. So let's just see what the market gives us. Remember, Heather L's technicals are better than any technical we can look at, but I am liking this reversal pattern.